Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. I hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to report a comment in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now to report a comment in TikTok, let's go to our TikTok app first. So if you want to report a comment, you must know one thing, that is the comment must have violated community guidelines of TikTok. So let's go to do that by going into your profile on the bottom right corner of your phone, and after that you can see my videos. Let's go to this one to go to comments. After reaching here, you can see the three dotted icon over here. Just tap there and you can see all these comments. Let's go again. Now to report a comment, just tap and hold the comment for a moment and you can see all these options pop out, but you can see the report option over here. Just tap on there and you can see all these guidelines provided by TikTok. So if you wish to report content in TikTok, you can under these guidelines, but if not, don't report them. Reporting somebody is bad. So there guys, reporting a comment in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any questions or comments regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys, peace.